One wrong daily habit can silently destroy your spine. And most people with back pain do it every single day. Imagine waking up one morning unable to stand straight, your life reduced to painkillers and regret. If you're 25 to 45, grinding through work or family life with that nagging low backache, this could be you. Today, I'll reveal the 5 common mistakes making your pain worse, starting with the one you're probably doing right now. Stick around. Fixing these could save your mobility forever. You're not alone. Over 80% of adults in the US, UK, Canada, Germany, India, Pakistan, South Korea, and Italy battle low back pain. But here's the scary truth. Simple habits turn temporary aches into chronic nightmares. Mistake number 1, the text neck trap. Hunching over your phone for hours. This loads 60 pounds of force on your spine, worse than deadlifting. Let's see why it connects to your pain. Every scroll hunches your head forward, slamming your lower spine like a sledgehammer. Studies show it increases disc pressure by 60%. That's permanent damage building daily. You're texting at work, commuting, even in bed. Result? Bulging discs pinching nerves, turning aches into agony. I worsened my pain ignoring this for years. Fix it. Hold your phone at eye level. Take breaks every 20 minutes. But don't stop here. This leads straight to mistake number 2, sitting like your spine's invincible. Mistake number 2, sitting for 8+ hours without moving. Your spine's designed for motion, not marathons in a chair. This compresses discs, weakens core muscles, and spikes inflammation. Hello, sciatica. Office workers in your countries lose billions in productivity yearly to this. Even standing desks fail if you're static. I thought my ergonomic chair saved me. Wrong. Stand hourly, walk 5 minutes. But if you're lifting wrong next, that pain explodes. Mistake number 3, bending from the waist to lift, like picking up groceries or kids. This shears your lumbar discs 10 times body weight. Parents and warehouse workers do this daily, inviting herniations. In Pakistan and India, manual labor makes it epidemic. I threw my back out lifting laundry this way. Rule: squat, hinge hips, keep load close. But twisting while doing it? That's mistake number 4, twisting the knife. Mistake number 4, twisting your torso while carrying weight, golf swings, shoveling snow, or rotating with a toddler. This torques spinal ligaments, causing tears. Golfers in the US and South Korea report 40% more injuries this way. My weekend yard work flared my pain permanently. Pivot feet instead. Face your target. Craving junk fixes? Mistake number 5 seals the damage. Mistake number 5, masking pain with pills or passive fixes like heat pads. They numb symptoms but ignore root causes, letting damage worsen. Addiction risk skyrockets. In Canada and Germany, back pain meds cost billions. I popped ibuprofen daily, delaying real healing. Treat causes. Strengthen core, move smart. You've avoided these pitfalls now. Your spine thanks you. These 5 mistakes, text neck, sitting marathons, bad lifts, twists, pill crutches, turn aches into disability. But stopping them now prevents surgery and regret. Download my free Spine Saver Guide below. Daily habits checklist for pain-free living. Comment your biggest mistake below. Like, subscribe for more. Live pain-free. Your future self demands it.